Hey Rockstars, Liz Shaw and welcome to Recording Studio Rockstars. I got another unboxing video for you today. This one comes in from Dr. Alien Smith. Al Smith makes some of our favorite stuff to make records with here at the Toy Box Studio. He's sent us the DirtMic, which we use on drums. He sent us the Sub-Kicko 1, which we also use on drums. And then this should be, I know this looks like a knife, this is what we're excited about, but this right here, this package, should be something called the DirtBox. And as you can see, we're getting ready to do some recording right now, and so I'm excited about this. This thing is going to allow us to record, basically just take a mic out on the floor, plug right into this guy, add distortion to the mic, and then send that signal straight to Pro Tools. So let's open this guy up and take a look and see what's inside. There it is, the DirtBox by Dr. Alien Smith. Dr. Alien Smith. All right, this is instructions for it. The DirtBox, distortion effects box for microphones. Very cool. It's got a description of how it works. You can see there's a little quick picture of what it's going to look like in just a moment. And then you can see that he also explains that there are some clever ways to do a mic splitter cable so that you can both go through the DirtBox into a mic pre, but you could also take a clean mic signal into a mic pre and into Pro Tools. Okay, the very first thing we see is actually, this is optional. This doesn't automatically come with it, but he sent this so that we could check it out. This is a splitter cable. This will let you take a mic in, plug it into here, and then split it so that one side of this can go through the distortion circuit and the other side can go straight into your Pro Tools. Well, through a mic pre, of course. And then here we have the DirtBox. Check this out. Look at that, that's so cool looking. All right, what you have here is you have an input for XLR. So the mic is gonna go directly into here on this input jack. And then this right here is gonna allow us to dial in how much distortion we want, because on this side, on the output, that's gonna go to the mic pre, and the mic pre is sending 48 volts phantom power. That's what powers this box and lights up the light and just gives us the distortion. So this is gonna be really awesome. The way that we're gonna try this out when we hook this up is we're gonna take this splitter cable, take a mic like maybe this Beta SM57 right here, and we're going to take one side, patch it through the DirtBox like this, and then take the other side and go to a mic pre or go straight into an interface so that you can add distortion, but you can also have the clean sound right there. And you can get the best of both worlds. All right, awesome. I'm super psyched to check this out on my tracking session I'm getting ready for now. I'm probably going to be using this for drums, maybe for other stuff. This might be a great trick for doing vocal overdubs where you want to get some distortion on a vocal mic too. And I'll have hopefully videos of that coming up for you as soon as I can, where you can see what it sounds like in the studio. If you want to learn more about the DirtBox or the DirtMic or the Sub-Kicko 1, all from Dr. Alien Smith, just go to the link below. It'll take you right over to Dr. Alien Smith's website and you can check it out. If you have any questions or comments, drop them in here and I'll try to answer them for you and let you know how it sounds on my end. And while you're here, remember to hit that like button and subscribe so you don't miss any videos from us here at Recording Studio Rockstars. Thanks for watching. Cheers.